Time to feed my cough drop addiction. Where's the creature? Oh, creature! Oh, jeez. What does that do? Oh, does it kill? Oh, he just turned it off. No. Oh, I can run. Oh, wait, I could. Oh, hurry up, I could kick it. Oh, I'm too late. Whoa. Does any of this stuff blow up? I want to be ready for that if it's going to happen. You can blow yourself up, buddy. Haha. Oh, chainsaw guy. Oh, oh, kick him. Kick him. Karate kick. Yes. Oh, 2 for Tuesday.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to save your life. Oh, kick him. Oh, what the heck?